Welcome to all future partners and visionaries. I'm thrilled to share with you the transformative journey of Vertex Catalyst Group. Imagine a place where innovation not only thrives, but leads to solutions that redefine our world. That place is Vertex. And today, I extend an invitation to you to join us as pioneers of tomorrow's innovations. At Vertex, our mission is clear: to harness the power of cutting-edge research and turn it into solutions that not only solve complex problems but also offer significant financial returns for our investors. From quantum computing and artificial intelligence to renewable energy and medical breakthroughs, our portfolio is as diverse as it is revolutionary. Located in South Africa, Vertex isn't just a research center, it's a vibrant ecosystem. We're composed of three dynamic subsidiaries: Vertex Intellectual Properties, Vertex Operations, and Vertex Research and Development. Each plays a crucial role in transforming groundbreaking ideas into tangible, market-ready innovations. Our Vertex Intellectual Properties is at the front line, safeguarding our technological advancements and managing valuable patents. Meanwhile, Vertex Operations ensures our brilliant minds have everything they need to succeed, fostering an environment where creativity and innovation can flourish. And at the heart of it all is Vertex Research and Development. This is where the magic happens. Here we bring together the brightest minds and equip them with cutting-edge tools and funding to create solutions that push the boundaries of what's possible. We're not just dreaming of a better future, we're creating it. Our projects range from artificial intelligence applications in healthcare to next-generation battery technologies and even fusion research, a potential game-changer in sustainable energy. Our vision? To be a global catalyst for transformative innovation. By investing in Vertex, you're not just investing in a company, you're investing in a future where science and technology create a better, more sustainable world for everyone. Are you ready to be part of something truly revolutionary? To not just witness, but contribute to the technology that will define the next century? Contact Vertex today. Let's build this future together. Thank you for watching and dreaming with us. Remember, at Vertex, we believe in the power of science to reveal God's design and empower humanity. Join us and let's reach our full potential together. You can call us on +27 10 200 85 0540 or visit www.vertexcatalystgroup.co.za for more information.